The time now is 6:55 p.m. This is what I have done today. So curing of stormwater drainage concrete and pouring of concrete on this retaining wall. That's the finish level. So it's just rough because that will be backfilled anyway, so no need to make it a smooth finish. And I put already or laid already the subsoil drain and covered with fine sand or filter sand, and I put water in it to compress the sand. So that's the only way we can compact this house, by putting water or flooded with water. So I might be pour this out tomorrow. So the only remaining formworks here is on the side here, and this gap is for the stones. So I put already a foam on this side here, just to filter again the runoff or seepage coming from the retaining wall before entering to subsoil drain, to make sure the water is clean before passing through the drainage or subsoil drainage or drain fill, sorry. Yeah, so this is the only gap I need to put tomorrow, and then I can pour it, weather permitted. If the weather is not better, or if it is raining, then I can postpone it. I try to finish everything before mid-month of October, but it depends to weather, because I want to start the bottom part, which is 2 meters length and 1.4 meter wide. So that's another 4 strips. So I want to finish everything by end of October, so that my son can use it on his birthday. Yeah. Alright, my friend, thank you, and I have to knock off now. It's nearly 7 o'clock, but it's still bright, and there's no sky. It's all dark clouds. So yeah. Alright, see you again tomorrow. Hopefully we have nice weather. Thank you so much, and God bless, and bye for now. See you.